what we have learned is that Aditya Birla Group is in advanced talk with Orient Cement to buy the promoter stake. Promoter holding the CK Birla Group along with some private investment vehicles owns 37.9% stake in Orient Cement. So as per the current market cap, the promoter stake could be at 1790 crore. And if the deal goes through, Aditya Birla Group will need to make an open offer. Let's understand the financials of Orient Cement and the key areas they cater to. Orient Cement manufacturing units are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra. They have exposure in southern as well as their western belt. But they are also exploring newer markets in Northern Belt, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and even Madhya Pradesh. This is about the key areas, but talking about the financials, Orient Cement, which total capacity stands at about 8.5 metric ton per annum. Their EV to EBITDA basis is 7x. Orient Cement currently is executing a 2,000 crore capex for expansion, and recently they've transferred limestone mine lease in Rajasthan from Orient Paper to self. Rajasthan mines have estimated reserve for 40 years, around about 120 million to 150 million tons is the capacity. And Orient Cement's 1/4 energy needs to be met by renewable energy. This is about Orient Cement, but talking about the larger players, since we understand there's a consolidation happening in the cement industry, where the smaller players are the potential merger and acquisition candidates. Bigger players are continuously increasing their capacity. In fact, they have aggressive capacity expansion plans. Talking about Aditya Birla Group's combined cement capacity, which stands at 180 million tons per annum, and talking about individually for Ultratech, which sets a target of 200 million tons per annum by 2030. So big players are on an aggressive expansion plan, and smaller players are potential M&A candidates. ET Now did send queries to both Orient Cement as well as Aditya Birla Group, but they went unanswered. But if deal goes through, then an open offer is likely to come.